Somalia has just signaled a major shift in its foreign policy, and China is at the center of it. It seems the momentum is shifting to Mogadishu, as China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi is set to arrive soon. He is the highest diplomat from Beijing to visit Somalia in over 4 decades. Officials say talking will focus on maritime security, road projects, and Beijing's firm opposition to Israel's recognition of Somaliland. President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud has openly praised Chinese President Xi Jinping as Somali deepens ties with Beijing. In an interview aired by China Media Group, President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud said China's approach matches Somalia's development and security priorities. He endorsed 4 major global initiatives launched by China's President Xi Jinping covering development, security, governance, and global cooperation. At the core, he said, are principles Somali supports, like respect for sovereignty, alternative development, models, and non-exploitation. This shift was formalized during the state visit to Beijing, where both leaders expanded relations at the China-Africa Summit. China reminded the world that Somalia was among the first African nations to recognize Beijing in 1960. In 2025, the two countries held their first defense ministerial talks, with China offering training and security support. Officials insist this is not a break from Western allies, but a diversification of partnership. For Somalia, China offers economical investment without political conditions. For China, Somalia is a key strategic gateway in the Horn of Africa. Somalia now sees China not just as a partner, but as a long-term strategic ally.